Okay, let's see you guys ski down.
Justin, you have to move your bottom over to the other side.
Hey, Jaden, you gotta come down now, buddy. Okay.
There you go, Justin. Now you got it.
I don't know. Point him down.
It's okay. You'll just slide down, Justin. It's okay. All right. Put your skis over, and then you can stand up. All right, now stand up. There you go.
Okay, Jaden, come on down.
Okay, Justin, wait here, please.
Come on down, Jaden. Nice one. Go down sideways. There you go. Whoa.
Whoa.